Class Training, your computer training specialists.
And hi everybody out there, Mark Mannering here from Class Training with another 3-Minute Thursday. 3 tips in 3 minutes. Well, actually one big tip. And what I've got here is a typical sort of situation with a list of products and their product codes and their prices. And we've already got so-called lookup formulas in here. Lookup formulas that look up the particular product. Now, the big thing we've done here that some of you would know about is to create drop-down menus or drop-down validation, as we call it. So if I click this one here, a little drop-down pops up and I can go click, how you going, and select Bentley, for example. And that changes the code off to the right and its price off to the right. That's already been put in. I come down here anywhere and I want to go Datsun and I go click and I choose another one, for example. And again, that changes the results on the right. Now, as some of you might know, that has been set up as a drop-down validation to a list of products here based on their cell range names. If I click up here, I've got the cell range name called products, and that lists the particular products, or actually selects the particular products given that name. And that makes it easier to refer to this list of products back in my drop-down validation, which is done through or accessed through here. There we go on the first one, data validation, and it's already been set up. I click that and you can see in the list or drop-down list, the source of that list is from a range of cells called products. So click OK and back to here. I'll just double check that there. There's products there. Click and it relates back to there. So that's all good, and most of you might know that. Okay, now the big issue here in this example is if I want to add a new product line, for example, to my data store, to my list of cars or products that I want to show in that drop-down list. Okay, so there's the new product I want to add into the drop-down list, and I've just added it to the end of the current list, and hopefully that's going to pour into the drop-down list back on the other screen. So if I go back here and I just choose anywhere here and go click, you can see it hasn't been included. That extra Ford product is not down the bottom there, or click anything else and come down and it hasn't happened again. So what I've got to do manually is to rejig, if you like, rejig the cell range name to point to that extra product that I've added, and hopefully that'll be seen in the drop-down list. So let me just get rid of that and start again. Well, not so much start again, but just show you what you should do. Okay, Excel has a great feature called Format as Table. And all that means is that what I'm going to do with this whole table here is to allow it to grow automatically. So if I add any more records to this new, to the old data, it'll be included automatically in the current information, and then anything back here, the drop-down lists and so on, will include that. Doesn't matter how many I'm going to add back here in the data store. So all you do, you just go click anywhere in the data, and on the Home tab here, Home, and it's called Format as Table. You click that, you choose any particular design you want. You have to click a design. So I'll just go click here. It comes up and says, is this what you want? Click OK. Yes, it is. And away I go. Okay, there you are again. This time I've done the same thing as I did before. I added that new record for the Ford product, but you can see it's been included just by showing or seeing the little blue arrow in the corner there. It's been included with the new data. Now, if I just check, I don't have to, but I'm going to check what relates to the product cell range name. I'll click that, and you can see straight away it's included the Ford or the extra product that I've added. I'll go back here now, and I'll double check. If I click, hit the drop down, there it is. There's the new car at the bottom, or the new whatever it is. So I don't have to manually set up and rejig the data validation drop-down list. Okay, and that's it for this time round. We cover all this in our Excel Advanced courses, drop-down validations and extending lookup formulas and all the rest of it. So have a look on the website for when those courses are scheduled, and keep in touch. Mark Mannering signing off until next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.